Hello folks, my name is Russ, and in this video I'm going to be showing you just how easy it is to replace the lights on your boat trailer. Let's go. The first step is going to be removing the housing from the trailer frame here. I'm just going to loosen up these lock nuts here. Which you can see they came off quite easily despite being rusty. I'm thankful for that. And then loosen up your light. Now this one came with the tag bracket attached on the left side, so we're gonna have to set that aside and reattach that later. The equipment you're gonna need is quite simple. I have an inexpensive heat gun I got from Harbor Freight, a cheap set of wiring strippers and crimps. You can use heat shrink tubing, or I have watertight heat shrink butt connectors as well, which come highly recommended for marine applications. Some people, before they put their heat shrink tubing on, will also use liquid tape to keep things sealed up and connected. The choice is yours. Go ahead and read about it on the internet. My favorite is the watertight heat shrink connectors. They're just something that gives me peace of mind. When you use the marine heat shrink tubing, it works great. It's just not quite as sturdy and dependable. On boat trailers, typically the brown wire is going to be your connection to the running lights on the left and right side. The left turn signal is controlled by the yellow wire and the right side by a green wire, just so you can keep things straight. That's the general rule of thumb. So you want to go ahead and strip the ends of these wires to expose some nice clean surface to attach to. You want them to fit in the butt connector and have enough exposed wiring that you don't have to worry about things coming apart. All right, that check fit looks good. I'm going to go ahead and just crimp that in place. That's a good connection. Now with this one done, I'm gonna go ahead and tidy up all the other wires, and we're gonna plug this thing in to the truck and see if it works. As with everything in life, the devil's in the details, and there's one little catch here. The older boat trailers come with one of these setups. 2 wires. All the new trailer lights come with 3 wires. But don't worry, the white is simply a ground. I'll show you how to take care of that. All you need is a little terminal ring connector. Crimp that on the end of your wire. You can slide that right over the bolt that you hold your fixture on to the trailer with, and you're grounded out. It's as simple as that. All right, just threading that on our terminal connector. Super easy. Crimp that fella, and you're good to go. I'm going to go ahead and paint it with a swath of liquid tape so I don't get too much saltwater intrusion into the system. Then we're going to slide that right on the bolt that holds the housing to the trailer, screw it up, and you are good to go. As you can see, things wired up nicely. Everything's working. I tested the turn signals. And it was quite a simple project. If you are thinking about taking something like this on yourself and you're worried you can't do it, you've got nothing to lose, try it out. If you have questions, drop a comment, I'll get back to you. Check out my John Boat playlist and how-to boat repairs, and I will see you guys around.